Hey, in this video, you learn what does restrict mean on Instagram. I'll tell you the very simple solution, everything that you need to know. But all you gotta do is like the video, because each like helps me out a lot. Probably gets me a few more views. So you basically get the restrict option when you go on a recent post you have. You go on a comment, swipe right, type the exclamation mark button, and it says a few things. First, report this comment, then restrict, block, and unfollow. So restrict is kind of like shadow banning the person towards your profile, which means he won't see your posts as much or at all. He wouldn't be recommended them. So he wouldn't know you blocked him, but at the same time, the algorithm won't show anything to him. So if you have a bully that you don't want to, make happy because he's posting on your stuff some negative comments, and you want him to view your profile, but you don't want to block him, this is the thing you can do. If this video helped you out, give it a like and check more videos just like this in the playlist around the screen.